everyone, today I've been organising my larder or my pantry, so I thought I'd share some simple labels for my new food storage boxes. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Cricut software to make some really simple black labels. So I'm going to use a label for my baking box first. So I've just got a simple text box and I'm just writing the words baking. My labels are going to go from top to bottom, not left to right, and you'll be able to see my food storage boxes in the video to see why that is. So I'm going to choose a nice font. I really like to use Courier on this one. Really nice, simple, clean font. Looks really good. So there we are, we've got my baking label there. And then I just want to put a little box around it so that I find it a lot easier to weed and to sort of get it straight. So here's a nice simple box. Make sure it's white. Undo that padlock, make it the right size. Okay, just pop it on there. Use my arrange button to send it to the back. Looking good. Okay, so as well as my text on the left, I also want a nice little image because I've got another space on the right. So because it's baking, I'm going to use cake. In fact, let's make it that cupcake. So I'm just going to search for something quite simple, because obviously I'm going to cut this out of black vinyl. So Cricut has some amazing images. As you'll see, there's loads of cupcakes to choose from there. So let's just scroll down a little bit. Ah, that one looks perfect. Okay, add that to my canvas. She is, cute little cupcake. Okay, so I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller, just so it'll fit on my food storage box. Perfect. And then, as with my text, I just like to put a little box around it. So again, simple square, turn that white, send it to the back, and then pop it over my cupcake and just make sure it's the right size. Brilliant, so there I've got it, my baking text and my nice little cupcake. So let's group those together and then attach them to the canvas and then make it. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to use black vinyl for this. Now I've covered my whole Cricut mat in black vinyl because I'm going to do loads of labels for my larder or my pantry. So really simple, as you know, pop it on, flatten it out, speed that up there because that's a little bit boring to watch, isn't it? Open up my sheen. And then pop my vinyl in. Okay, I'm just checking that I've got my setting on vinyl, which I already have because I used it for a project before, and then hit make it. Again, just speed this up. So I've just got my little baking one here so I can show you for that box, but as I said, I've made loads and I'll show you some more images later on in the video. So I'm just going to weed out my text now, speed this up again. Cute little cupcake there as well. Right, so next step, just want to add my transfer tape. Again, I'll just speed this one up for you. So just pop it on, make sure it's nice and flat, and then I just like to trim it to size just because it makes it easier to pop it onto my food storage box. So there we've got my nice baking text, which is going to go on the left. Okay, so now you can see what I mean about my food storage boxes. So my labels are going to go left and right of that handle. So I'm going to have baking on the left and my cupcake on the right. So let's do that. Lovely, and there she is, final